Welcome to my channel. I am doing a haul, yay. So I'm gonna show you a few of the items that I bought. Let me jump right into it. So the first thing I bought this shirt, this graphic shirt, and I bought this in an XL on AliExpress, and I have all the links below. I bought some shoes, you guys, from AliExpress, and I normally am so scared to buy shoes because they're not in the US sizing, so they're a little bit off. But these, I bought these as well. These are like slides, and the slides look like this on the inside, like that. I bought these as well. They're so cute. These are so cute. Dress that I got from fashionnova, and this is the first fashionnova item. If I'm not mistaken, I have like 3 things from fashionnova. I have this really cute romper, and it has the actual zipper in the back. Y'all, like, I don't know about you guys, but with fashionnova clothes, anything that has to do with like a pleated or like a dress, I have to buy it in a XL or a 1X. And I always end up going with the 1X because you never know if it doesn't have stretch or not. And if I follow the reviews that some of you guys leave, literally I still won't be able to fit the pants. So I always go with my gut and just choose 1X. And y'all, I'm so happy I did. Another item that I got was from Akira. I got this on, not online, I got this in the store. It has this really cute green tint that's really cute, y'all, and it has some stretchy back, and it buttons down. So yes, it has a button, and it's kind of hiding the button, so you can kind of have it on and have like your boobs sitting, and it'll be really cute. And like I said, it's this really cute green bleach type of tint that's really fire. I also got this from Akira, this really cute cardigan, y'all, and I absolutely love it because it's like this lava lamp kind of acidy kind of cardigan, and y'all, it's not thin, it's not paper thin at all, it's not like that silky material. This is actually sweater material. From Akira is this really cute brown shirt. It's a really cute brown shirt, and y'all, it has its own brown tie to go with it. I already tried this on, and it's cropped, and it's actually fits perfectly on me. It is tight on the waist. It's not one of those baggy shirts where it's baggier. It's gonna fit more fitted than anything, and this is in an XL. So if you do have bigger arms or on the thicker side, or you even have bigger chest, I would advise you to go with XL or go a size up from what you normally get. Really cute. I'm gonna wear this on my birthday. I'm gonna wear this on my birthday, y'all, okay? Because I already got a look for this, but I'm gonna wear this on my birthday because this is freaking cute. It is this really, I know y'all don't see it right now, but it's this really cute pants, y'all. And I'm gonna put a picture of what the pants look like, because no, I'm not trying this on. It's a lot to try these clothes on. But it has like a tie where you would tie it around your waist. I'm trying to give y'all the gist of the pants. So it'll be like this around your waist, see? And it's see-through, y'all. Like, it's actually a see-through pants, but it's actually really good quality. It's not cheap like, and it's not super thin, and my fingernails are not getting caught onto the lace. It's everything about this I love. This is a regular jacket. It doesn't come with the 2-piece set, which I'm so upset that I actually bought it. But you know what, I needed a denim jacket because y'all, I don't have any dark denim jacket, and this is really a go-to. So I also bought this. This is a skirt. It is really cute. It has the really cute belt, and it's pleated on the body part, and it's a not hota, but it's a strapless shirt, so a strapless romper, so it's really cute, and it does have the shorts under it as well. And y'all, this item right here is not stretchy, and I bought this in a XL. Try it on. So I bought this item as well. This is from Shein. This is another set item, which I did not buy the shorts because I thought the item came with the shorts. So they need to be more specific. It is the trend of the trend right now, and baggy, you know, pants, even jorts, even like pleated skirts, making this more of like a lacy look is really cute as well. It's this right here. I got this from Shein, and the actual like texture of this, it's not like really cheap. Like honestly, it feels like this will last me a long time compared to a lot of the items that I do buy from Shein or buy from other places. But it's this right here. It's this jersey. Yeah. Another item that I got from fashionnova, and these items is really thin in the waist. And y'all, when I tell you, it's really baggy on the pants. Like, look how baggy this is. Whoa. Like, it's actually so fire. No shorts I have ever bought in my life I've been able to fit at all. So, unless I ordered a super big size, these. Now, these babies do smell a little bit fishy, honey. No, she dead wrong. Because, baby, these do not stretch. These do not stretch. They do not give. They're thick. Thick as hell. Look how thick this is. They're so thick, they do not stretch. And I'm so disappointed because I really wanted to wear these, and I really did. Another item that I got was these sweatpants from fashionnova, and like these pants look like they've been worn. Like, look at this, it's beady. Look at the crotch part, how beady that is. Like, this is like almost like a catfish. Because one thing for sure that nobody wants is sweatpants that's already beading. They look old. It's like I bought pants that I've washed 10 times already. Another item that I got, and these are what I really wanted to share with you guys, is this brand. This brand, I ended up buying these shoes for about $200. And y'all, these is the most expensive purchase that I've ever done. I've never purchased anything that was $200 just for one simple item. I'm the type of girl that I would rather get 10 things for $200 than get one thing for $200. So I've never really splurged on a purchase like this, but I've always wanted some shoes that were like this, you guys, and sadly enough, they don't fit your girl calves. So I have to lose weight. I can always go in and actually loosen the laces up, because the laces can be loosened up. But let me show you guys these babies, because baby, these are so freaking cute. Look how cute this is. Only if my arms was my legs. And well, no, I wouldn't want big ass arms and skinny ass legs. That was just horrible. But I was gonna say my arms and my legs being my arms. but I would rather not have skinny, because you wouldn't be able to fit jackets either. So it's not a win-win either way. But y'all, like, look at this. These are really, really cute. And they do have the heel. Also, the detailing of the boot, it's like the boxer boots, and they're black, like this black material. They do have the white laces. Like I said, you can open up the laces, but look how small the tongue is. So it's like I could still rock them and maybe just open them up and just wear black socks with it, and maybe it'll camouflage the look. Or I could probably just somehow find this fabric tongue and sew on behind it, so then it can look like a double tongue, and maybe just make my own twist on some iconic boots. But that'll be, you know, fly as well. So I'm just having a really upset moment because I can't fit you yet. but I will be able to. Another shoe that I got was these shoes from Fashion Nova. They are these, and they look like dupes of, these are not why I bought these. I also saw some shoes on Dog Hill that were just like this, but instead they were green grass all over the shoes. And I also wanted to DIY these, put my twist on them, but you know, I don't know, I kind of like them black. I kind of do like them plain, so I might not touch these. Other things, I got these boots from Egos. Now these boots from Egos were literally $14, y'all. I'm kidding you not. If you don't know about Egos, you better go and run to the site, because they always put stuff on sale and the stuff be so cheap. It'd be like $14, $7 for some boots, $20 for some boots. It really be, you know, having them good deals. Now this item right here, I believe this is like a size, maybe like a size 15 calves. So luckily, not luckily, sadly for me, I have a size 17 calves and they don't fit, y'all. So I'm very sad about that. But one of the things that I think I'm gonna do, I think I can probably go and put a slit in this and get my friend to put a slit in this, and then get some fabric that looks similar, and get my friend to widen the boots just a tad. Even if she widened the boots about like a good 3 inches, I'll be able to fit these, and I'll be able to get my feet in them. These in the brown color as well, so I have 2 different sizes as well. And the brown is really cute, and look at the heel. The heel of it is so thick and so like high quality, so I'm really happy about my 2 pair of boots. Yep, that right there includes my whole haul, and I will see you guys next time. I already have a few things on the way, and so I probably will show y'all like a mini try on haul next. But that's it for my fashion haul, you guys. Bye.